मेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते
ಸಾಲದಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಲು ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಹೊರಳಿ ನುಡಿಯದಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಗಾನವ ಪಾಡಲು ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳೆರಡು ಸಾಲದಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನೋಡಲು ಮರ ನಿಂತಿಹಳು ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ನಿಂತಿಹಳು ತಾಯಿ ಹೃದಯ ತಂದ ತುಂಬು ಮಮತೆಯಿಂದ ಬಾಯಿ ಓ ಕಂದ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಿಹಳು.
A long year ago, there was a demon. His name Mahishasura. He was very cruel and he wanted to conquer whole the universe.
I am the Mahishasura. Nobody can kill me.
So he started praying Lord Brahma. Brahma was very happy with his tapasya. One day, Lord Brahma appeared in front of Mahishasura.
Om Brahmadevaya Namaha.
I am very happy to see you, my child.
So children, you saw Lord Brahma was very happy with his tapasya. So he blessed
I am
him.
a Mahishasura.
He started killing thousands of gods. So every god went to Lord Brahma. And they said, because of your blessings, Mahishasura became very destructive and become very cruel. He started killing everyone. So Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara together they thought in the form of goddess Durga. Woman in the form of goddess Durga. So she appeared in front of Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. They offered goddess Durga all the power and gave all the weapons to goddess Durga to kill Mahishasura. Mahishasura and Durga fought for 9 days. They fought for 9 days. On the 10th day, goddess Durga killed Mahishasura. On the 10th day, goddess Durga killed Mahishasura with her all power. This was the victory over the evil.
ಸೊ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮದೇವನಿಂದ ವರ ಪಡಿತಾನೆ. ಏನಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಂದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಂದಾಗ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ಯೆ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮದೇವ. ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ವರ ಪಡಿತಾನೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ತುಂಬಾ ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದೇವತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಯಿಸೋದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ.
ಐಗಿರಿ ನಂದಿನಿ ನಂದಿತ ಮೇದಿನಿ ವಿಶ್ವವಿನೋದಿನಿ ನಂದನುತೆ गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि